Bhandari and welcome to my photo shoot.
Sushmita, you are looking gorgeous today.
Thank you.
We love your blue dress.
Thank you.
And this photo shoot of yours, you've been looking absolutely happy and wonderful the whole time.
Thank you.
So, what was the purpose of this photo shoot? Is there like, or it's just?
There are a few projects coming up, which is why I wanted to try and also explore my looks. And I have styled myself today. So, as you can see, I'm very colorful. I like colors. I'm very happy as a person. And that's what depicts from my style.
So you were a part of Sacred Games
Yeah.
One, and we'd like to know how did you land the role in Sacred Games One?
Okay, so Sacred Games was my very first big project, and we were shooting with Anurag Kashyap sir and Vikramaditya Motwane. So it was a dream come true when I got to know that I am a part of this humongous web series that India is gonna have, and that one Netflix. So I was all the more excited, and for the viewers of Sacred Games, this season is gonna be all the more interesting, and a lot of twists and things are coming up. So stay tuned.
So can you reveal anything about your character for the Sacred Games Part 2?
As of now, I can tell you that it's gonna be more of detailed characteristics that you will see of Zoya and also all the more characters. I can't tell you much about it right now because I can't reveal it, and it'll be more exciting if you watch it directly. But yeah, I can tell you that keep up the excitement. It's gonna be great, just like the season 1.
Wonderful. And you'll also be starring in Helicopter
Yeah.
Eela and sharing screen space with Kajol. So how was your experience working with Kajol?
So Kajol, as we all know that she's been working since so many years. I have her posters all around my cupboard, and I was so excited to work with her when I got to know that, actually the process of this film is very exciting. It was like one of those auditions that I give every day, and then I also forgot about it. So after 4 months, I got a call from ADF Films, and they said that, "Ma'am, sir wants to talk to you." So I was like, "Who wants to talk to me?" Then they were like, "From ADF Films, they really like your audition for Helicopter Eela, and they would want to, you know." Get you under contract and talk about the commercials. I was like, okay, is this my dream or something? Because it was 4 months that nobody called up or nothing happened. It was just all of a sudden, and I think that's what makes it more exciting, because surprises make us more happy and make it really exciting. So yeah. The experience was really nice. It was like this whole Bengali family. The entire crew was Bengali. So Pradeep Dada and his entire crew are Bengali, and it was really nice experience to have them as my first debut film, and the team was very nice.
We are really excited to see you in Helicopter Eela. Also, you've become the latest fitness inspiration for many in Bollywood since you lost 10 kgs in a year. So,
Yeah.
tell us more about that?
So
What motivated you to?
okay, so I was not how I look like this before. 1 year back, I was not at all like this. I was always confident that I'm a good actor and I do well in the territory when it comes to creativity and stuff. I used to give auditions every single day and then come back home with a lot of rejection and stuff. So that really bothered me, because it was the other girl who always got the part and it wasn't me. So I spoke to a few of the casting directors, and they told me that your face is looking very chubby on the screen. And that was like, okay, I would have accepted it if there was something wrong with my talent or my skills were falling short of something. But no, it wasn't that. It was my weight. And I was like, okay, I need to take this very seriously. And there were a lot of times when I went into public and into parties, so people were like, "Oh my God, you're so beautiful. Why aren't we seeing you anywhere? What are you doing next?" And I had no answer to it, and the reason for it was my weight. So basically, my passion for acting got me into fitness journey because acting is what I wanted to do all my life, and this was necessary for it. So I took this up very seriously. The battle was played in my head before going to the gym and taking all those weights. I was really happy when all these results came to an end, and they were really into my favor, and now I'm doing many more beautiful things that I always wished to do. So yeah, I'm really happy that it happened, and yeah.
That's beautiful. Also, there have been recent allegations put on Nana Patekar by Tanushree Datta. What would you like to comment on that?
So basically, harassment of any kind is wrong. I wouldn't say that it's in case of female that is happening here. Any kind of harassment is wrong in any workplace, not just Bollywood or any acting place. What I feel is there's a due of process, like the process that you have once something has happened with you. That is not correct in India. जब भी कुछ होता है, strong actions नहीं लिए जाते हैं. I can say with the context of what happened with Nirbhaya in 2013, तभी थोड़ा पूरा इंडिया जग गया था. But after that there was no strong things taken up by the jurisdiction that will make people believe that कुछ भी ऐसा होगा तो they have a backing of the law that will support them. But in this case, as we all know, there are so many more cases that are coming up. Within a week's time, there were hundreds of things. People from media started talking about things that happened with them. It's really shocking that these things have been happening since a very long time, and it's very courageous of Tanushree to come out and talk about it on such a big platform. I think if 5% of it is also true, we should take an action and we should look into the matter, because it's not just her, it's her entire family who went through it, and it's a very big thing. So yeah, I think law should do what is right for her. Yeah.
I really hope that she gets justice too.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for being here with us, Sushmita.
Thank you.
And we really look forward to Helicopter Eela.
12th of October.
Yes, 12th of October. All right,
Thank you so
very
much.